Imagine a civilization so advanced that it built cities with perfect planning, created art that still stuns the world, and yet vanished mysteriously, leaving behind secrets buried in time. The Indus Valley Civilization, also called the Harappan Civilization, was one of the world's first urban cultures. It flourished around 2600 BCE to 1900 BCE, covering parts of modern-day India, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. This is the story of the Indus Valley Civilization, a society that thrived over 4,000 years ago and continues to baffle historians and archaeologists to this day. They were really smart and advanced. This is the story of the Indus Valley Civilization. They were really good at building cities and making things. We are learning more about them by digging up old stuff. Come on, let's go back in time. Let's explore this amazing civilization. The Indus people were great at planning cities. Their ability to design and construct urban areas with such precision and foresight is truly remarkable. The cities they built were not just random collections of buildings, but meticulously planned urban centers that reflected a deep understanding of urban planning and civil engineering. Their cities were built in a grid, like a checkerboard. This grid system was revolutionary for its time and allowed for efficient movement of people and goods. It also facilitated the management of resources and services, making the cities highly functional and organized. This shows they were good at planning. The grid layout is a testament to their advanced understanding of urban design principles. It indicates that they had a clear vision of how a city should be structured to maximize efficiency and livability. Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro are two famous examples. These cities are among the most well-known and extensively studied sites of the Indus Valley Civilization. They provide invaluable insights into the life and culture of the people who lived there thousands of years ago. These cities had drains to keep things clean. The drainage systems were highly sophisticated, with covered drains running along the streets and connecting to larger sewer systems. This level of sanitation was unparalleled in the ancient world and contributed significantly to the health and well-being of the inhabitants. They also had public baths and places to store grain. The public baths were not just for hygiene, but also served as social and religious centers. The granaries indicate a well-organized system of food storage and distribution, ensuring that the population had a stable food supply. The careful city planning shows how smart they were. The streets were laid out in a precise manner, with main thoroughfares and smaller lanes, all designed to facilitate easy navigation and efficient transportation. The buildings were constructed with standardized bricks, indicating a high level of craftsmanship and uniformity. It also shows they had good leaders. The ability to plan and execute such complex urban projects suggests that the Indus people had strong and effective leadership. These leaders were likely responsible for organizing labor, managing resources, and overseeing the construction of the cities. The Indus cities were amazing for their time. They were far ahead of their contemporaries in terms of urban planning and infrastructure. The scale and complexity of these cities are a testament to the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the Indus people. They show us they knew a lot about living in cities. The Indus people had a deep understanding of what it took to create a thriving urban environment. Their cities were designed to be functional, sustainable, and comfortable for their inhabitants. The size and details of these cities are impressive. The sheer scale of the urban centers, with their extensive residential and public areas, speaks volumes about the capabilities of the Indus people. The attention to detail in the construction and layout of the cities is truly remarkable. They still amaze us today. Modern archaeologists and historians continue to be fascinated by the achievements of the Indus Valley Civilization. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-Daro remain subjects of extensive research and exploration, revealing new insights with each discovery. The Indus people weren't just builders, they were dreamers and planners. They envisioned cities that were not only functional but also beautiful and harmonious. Their legacy lives on in the ruins of their cities, inspiring us to appreciate the importance of thoughtful urban planning and sustainable living. One thing stands out in Mohenjo-Daro: the Great Bath. This huge pool was made of bricks and didn't leak. It had steps to walk down into the water. The Great Bath was probably used for special ceremonies. It shows how important water was to them. The size of the Great Bath is amazing. It makes us think they had strong leaders. It also shows how important group ceremonies were. The Great Bath is still a mystery. It shows how good the Indus people were at building. The Indus people were good at making things. They were also traders and farmers. We think they grew wheat and barley. They had cows, sheep, and goats. They traded with people far away. The Indus people made beautiful pottery. They also made special seals with writing on them. These seals give us clues about their writing and language. We can't read it yet, but it looks like a complicated writing system. Life in the Indus Valley was a mix of farming, trading, and making art. Section 5. Faith and Hierarchy, the Pillars of Indus Society. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban cultures, thrived around 2500 BCE in what is now Pakistan and northwest India. This civilization is renowned for its advanced urban planning, architecture, and social organization. But what truly underpinned their society? Let's delve into the faith and hierarchy that formed the pillars of the Indus society. We can't read the Indus writing yet, but we can learn about their beliefs from the things they left behind. The seals and artifacts discovered at various sites provide a glimpse into their spiritual and daily lives. These artifacts, often intricately designed, suggest a complex belief system. The symbols and motifs on these seals are not just decorative. They hold significant meaning and offer clues about the religious practices of the Indus people. Little statues of gods and animals make us think they believed in many gods. These figurines, often found in homes and public spaces, indicate a polytheistic belief system. The presence of animal figures alongside human-like deities suggests that animals held a sacred place in their religion. This reverence for animals might have been linked to their agricultural lifestyle, where animals played a crucial role. It seems like they had priests, which means they had different levels in their society. The discovery of priest-like figurines and the depiction of ritualistic scenes implied the existence of a religious hierarchy. Priests likely played a central role in conducting ceremonies and maintaining the spiritual well-being of the community. This religious structure would have been integral to the social fabric, influencing various aspects of daily life. They used standard weights and measures, which means their system was organized. The uniformity of these weights and measures across different sites indicates a highly organized economic system. This standardization would have facilitated trade, both within the civilization and with neighboring regions. It also suggests a level of bureaucratic control and governance, ensuring that transactions were fair and consistent. This makes us think they had rulers. The presence of artifacts that suggest leadership, such as seals bearing the likenesses of prominent figures, points to a structured political system. These rulers would have been responsible for maintaining order, overseeing trade, and possibly even leading religious ceremonies. Their authority would have been crucial in managing the complex urban centers of the Indus Valley. The Indus society was probably organized and complicated. The meticulous city planning, with its grid-like streets, advanced drainage systems, and well-constructed buildings, reflects a high degree of social organization. Such planning would have required careful coordination and a deep understanding of urban management. This complexity is a testament to the ingenuity and foresight of the Indus people. They were connected by their beliefs and their leaders. The shared religious symbols and the centralized leadership helped unify the diverse communities within the Indus Valley. This unity would have been essential in maintaining the stability and prosperity of their civilization. The interplay between faith and hierarchy created a cohesive society that thrived for centuries. Section 6. The Fall of a Civilization. Unraveling the Enigma. The Indus Valley Civilization thrived for hundreds of years. Then suddenly, it disappeared. We don't know exactly why it happened. Maybe the weather changed, the rivers moved, or maybe other people attacked them. The end of the Indus civilization is a mystery. It reminds us that even advanced civilizations can disappear. Their story teaches us that we need to be careful with our environment. Section 7. Unearthing the Past. Discoveries and Insights. When archaeologists dig, they find out more about the Indus civilization. Places like Harappa, Mohenjo-Daro, and Lothal have taught us a lot. These discoveries help us understand the past better. The Indus Valley Civilization reminds us that history is huge. It shows us that there were advanced civilizations a long time ago. By digging up old things, we are learning more about their story and their secrets. Section 8. The Enduring Legacy of the Indus. The Indus Valley Civilization is gone, but we still remember them. Their cities, their art, and their society still inspire us. They remind us how creative people can be. The story of the Indus people is a story of new ideas, strength, and mystery. We are still learning more about them as we explore their world. Section 9. A call to explore unraveling the threads of history. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating world of archaeology, where every discovery is a piece of the puzzle that helps us understand our shared human heritage. The Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest urban cultures, offers a treasure trove of knowledge waiting to be uncovered. The Indus Valley Civilization is full of things we can learn. From their advanced urban planning to their intricate craftsmanship, each artifact tells a story of a sophisticated society that thrived thousands of years ago. Researchers meticulously catalogue these artifacts, piecing together the daily lives, trade practices, and cultural norms of this ancient civilization. Their story reminds us that everyone in the world is connected. Archaeology is not just about digging up the past. It's about connecting the dots between different cultures and understanding the shared human experience. Researchers from diverse backgrounds collaborate, bringing their unique perspectives to the table, enriching our understanding of ancient societies. It makes us want to explore, to understand, and to learn from the past. The thrill of uncovering an ancient scroll or deciphering an old inscription is unparalleled. Each discovery is a step closer to understanding the complexities of human history. The panoramic view of an archaeological dig in progress is a testament to the dedication and passion of researchers who spend countless hours in the field. What other secrets are hidden in the ruins of the Indus Valley? The ruins of ancient buildings and the intricate carvings found within them hint at a rich cultural and artistic heritage. Each new artifact uncovered by the excavation team adds a new layer to our understanding of this enigmatic civilization. What more can we learn from these remnants of the past? What can their story teach us about ourselves and our place in the world? By studying the Indus Valley Civilization, we gain insights into human resilience, innovation, and adaptability. Modern researchers analyze these ancient artifacts with advanced technology, reconstructing entire cities and bringing history to life. In classrooms around the world, students discuss these findings, drawing parallels between ancient and modern societies. These questions make us want to explore, discover, and solve the mysteries of our past. The field of archaeology is a continuous journey of discovery. As archaeologists work tirelessly in the field, each recovered piece of ancient jewelry or artifact is a clue to the grand narrative of human history. Researchers gather around tables, discussing their findings, and each conversation brings us closer to unraveling the threads of history. The quest to understand our past is a call to explore, a call that resonates with the curiosity and wonder within us all. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Color Facts.